Taegeun, and I am playing with multiple instruments according to our music. First of all, I would like to introduce the 3 out of 6. The first one is called Taegeum, this one. Taegeum is the instrument that you play horizontally like a flute. And there is a sounding board that helps to barbarate. So the first sound I made earlier is without the barbaration. And the second sound is with the barbaration in the air. Yes. And the second instrument that I would like to explain is called tumso. This one is not on the horizontal, but more vertical. It has a very as you can hear, it makes different note and different sound. It's sort of like refreshing sound. 시원한 소리, refreshing sound. And the third one is called 소금. It's an instrument that plays 1 octave above the first instrument that we talked about, 태금. Yes, so I use all different instruments here, including 소금, to match the music and match my band according to our music. Thank you.